family to yours.
Welcome back, Fitt Queens and Kings and all you world in betweens. I'm back with another holiday video. It's our second annual holiday cocktails with the cousins. So today I am going to make a special drink called the Grinch. Yes, the Grinch Christmas drink. So it only takes 3 ingredients and it's very easy to make. Stick around and I'll show you. First we're going to add the ice to the shaker. An ounce of Malibu rum. A little bit more than an ounce. Then we're going to add some Maduro, an ounce of Maduro. To give it that green color. Then we're going to add some 7-Up. We're going to shake it to bring it to a chill. Next, we're going to rim the glass with some sugar with food coloring to make it green. Add it to our glass. And then we're going to garnish it with the rosemary. I know. Put little cubes of ice to keep it chill. And some cranberries. And I lied. And there you have it. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
Cheers.
It's good.
I like it.
Oh, I love the rum in it.
Happy holiday, renovators. I am back. I know it's been a while, but I have a new holiday cocktail. Well, holiday mocktail. It's called a Spice Cranberry Palomo. I made the simple syrup myself. I melted some sugar with a little water, added some cinnamon and some cloves, and also star anise. So let's get started. First, I'm going to add some cranberry juice. Splash of lime. I'm going to just mix that around just a second. I'm going to grab a cup of ice. Let me show you what I like doing. Back with the ice. We're going to put some simple syrup just around the glass. See how pretty that looks already? We're going to add the mixture. And we're going to top it with the sparkling grapefruit soda. That adds our sparkle. We're going to grab some rosemary. We're going to grab a grapefruit for decoration and some cranberry. And there you have the Spice Cranberry Palomo. Okay. What do you think, cuz?
It's good. Oh, I like that. It's good.
Can you taste the spice?
I love all of the spice, and I actually like that hint of the little sparkling soda that comes on your tongue.
Yes, I love the hint of spice, like Tawana said, and I also love all the garnishings. Make it so pretty.
Happy holidays, guys! And today we're going to be making a holiday French 75. I know that everybody is always familiar with the regular French 75, but they do have holiday versions that are made with pomegranate as well as cranberry. Okay, guys, so since I will be using a martini glass, I'm going to go ahead and use a shaker to go ahead and chill all of my liquor. So with the French 75, the first thing you'll mix is all of the other ingredients, and then we'll top it with our Prosecco. So first, you're going to go ahead and mix in your lemon juice. You'll also mix in an ounce of gin. And since we're doing a holiday version, I'll be mixing in cranberry simple syrup. Like I said, you can mix in either cranberry or pomegranate. And this was made using real cranberries as well as sugar. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get that shaken up. And what I like to go ahead and do is drop in my cranberries. I like to go ahead and put a little slice of lemon around the rim here because this is where you'll drink from when you're drinking on the martini glass. I'm gonna drop a little bit of mint and a sprig of thyme. All right, so that'll fill it up halfway, and we're gonna go ahead and top it off with our Prosecco. There you have it. You have your holiday drink. So good.
Happy holidays!